Welcome to Alcona Health Center's patient portal. Within the portal you can communicate with your provider, schedule appointments, and renew prescriptions. Let me show you how easy it is to navigate. Here is the login screen for the Alcona Health Center PXP portal, which stands for Patient Experience Platform Portal. To first access the portal, ensure that you have an email address on file with Alcona Health Center by either calling your preferred clinic or stop by the front desk. Once you receive the email invite, you will set up a username and password and link your electronic healthcare records to our patient portal. After setting up your username and password, click Sign In. Here you will see the home page. On the left side there are icon options that are similar to what you see on the home page. We will review the different functions and features of these icons. The first is Messages. When you click Messages you can view your inbox, which will show messages from our healthcare center to you. You then can view Sent, which are messages from you to our center. The Archive tab will show deleted messages. This inbox works very similar to email, however it is secure. You also have the ability to ask a question. The Ask a Question button will pop up 4 different options, which will route your question to the appropriate staff member. You can ask a billing question, ask a general office question, ask a provider a question, or ask a referral question. From the homepage you have the ability to view appointments. This will show you upcoming appointments, past appointments, and any previous requests you have requested. The Ask a Question button will show the same 4 questions we saw on the Messages page. You have the ability to review medications. This will show you your active and inactive medications. You will also have the ability to review your health record, which will show any previous summaries or encounters you've had with our care team. Below you have the ability to view individual encounters. You can also share, download, and print these records. The last icon you'll see here is Patient Education. This feature allows you to view education in regard to any new diagnosis or a new medication. If you click Launch My Education, it will allow you to enter key search terms, or you can select from the topics and tools below. If I wanted to look up an asthma condition upon diagnosis, I can select the education material appropriate to me. When finished, you can exit out of that to return to the home page. Now I would like to demonstrate how to request information from your health center through the portal. The Messages page allows you to ask a question, same as the Ask a Question icon on the home page. If I click on Ask a Question, and I wanted to ask a general office question, I would click here. We ask that if you are experiencing a medical emergency, please dial 911 or call your local emergency facility for immediate assistance. If this is a non-emergency, you may continue sending your message. You will type in your subject and select your primary care provider. Then you will type in your question and click Continue. You will see a summary of your question, then click Submit. You will see a notice that your question has been received as you are taken back to the home page. Another feature is requesting an appointment. To request an appointment, click on the green button. You'll next input your location and provider. If you need a same-day appointment, please call the office so we can speak to you directly. I will select my location and my primary care provider, then select Continue. You can specify your appointment's information by choosing First Available or selecting the time of day, day of week, and when you would like to be seen. It is important that you include a reason for your visit. This patient is going to come in for a medication review, then I will click the Request Appointment button. You'll then be returned to the home page where you'll see the notification that your request was received. With this icon, you can visit your medications page. You can request a refill by clicking on the RX Request button. Here you will choose your location, your provider. Then choose your pharmacy you would like your medication filled at. Then click Continue. You will then choose the medication you would like to refill. On this page you will confirm the information is accurate. This text box is for any notes you would like to provide to the care team. Then you will click Confirm. This will let you know that your prescription request has been submitted. We ask that you give us 72 hours to ensure that the medication is at your pharmacy. You should always check with your pharmacy to ensure that you do not have any more refills on your previous script before submitting the request for a refill. The last feature I would like to show you is Account. Under Account you have the ability to view and invite new people to your portal. If you would like to give a trusted representative access to your portal, click the Invite New button to send a link to that individual's email. If you would like to edit your account, click Edit and view your profile options, as well as security options, your preferred pharmacy, and your account activity. Any changes you make in regards to preferred pharmacy and demographics will need to be processed and updated before being viewed on your health record. Once finished, you can log out. Thanks for taking a moment to learn about the Alcona Health Center patient portal. It's a simple way to stay connected, manage your care, and communicate with your provider. If you haven't enrolled yet, we invite you to get started today. At Alcona Health Center, we're here to support you every step of the way.